guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of resin crafting and we're going to show you how to make the coolest, most vibrant keychains ever. We're using a 2:1 ratio resin, which means 2 parts resin to 1 part hardener. Safety first, so don't forget your gloves and mask. Let's mix up our resin concoction. Remember, precision is key with resin crafting, so measure out your ratios carefully. Be mindful of resin exothermic reaction. Avoid rapid mixing to prevent heat generation. Use room temperature materials for stability. Ensure proper ventilation to dissipate heat. Choosing vibrant pigments for resin. I am using black and a shade of purple. Adjusting pigment concentration for desired hue. Admiring the rich colors infused in resin. Pouring a base layer of clear resin. Ensuring mold is clean and dust-free. Leveling resin surface for smooth finish. Adding some more. Arranging flowers in the resin mold. Adjusting position for desired aesthetic. Using tweezers for precision placement. Gently pouring clear resin over rose petals, allowing resin to surround and encapsulate petals. Mixing in foil, achieving a uniform distribution of foil. Carefully distributing foil mix on resin surface. Ensuring resin surface is smooth and even. Layering clear resin to encapsulate foil. Using a toothpick to adjust foil placement. Same process is followed for letter B. Carefully pour our black resin into the mold, ensuring a smooth and even distribution. Sprinkle in some shimmering foil and rich black pigment to add depth and character to our keychain. Pouring a top layer for smooth and shiny finish. Pouring our luscious figgy-colored resin into the mold, filling it with the rich tones of this delightful fruit-inspired shade, adding a touch of sparkle and enhancing the depth of our figgy hue. Watch as skilled artisans carefully pour liquid resin into intricate molds, each one destined to become a unique keychain masterpiece. Vibrant pigments are added, creating a kaleidoscope of hues that dance across the surface of the resin. Tiny details, such as delicate flowers and shimmering glitter, are meticulously placed into the resin, adding depth and personality to each keychain. Witness the resin as it cures and solidifies, transforming into a beautiful, wearable work of art. For watching how to add keychain attachments, follow my next video. Like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.